Good morning. Here we're going to talk about the Super Intruder X. That's what I call it. Now the Intruders were made from 85 to 2005. Quite a long time. They got a 1360cc engine and they're brought out as the Harley Killer. They had a 4-speed transmission from 85 to 90, and the 5-speed went in from 91 to 2005. It's an oil-cooled engine at 537 pounds. Fuel capacity is 3.4 US gallons. Rated at 71 horsepower and 104 miles per hour top speed. So, I'm going to show you what this bike has for extras. On the rear is a taillight with a gray lens and 160 LED bulbs. It's also got Kellerman turn signals, which are on the rear, which are very bright. They're just a little lamp, not big at all. Chrome license plate you seen. It's got a Corbin dual tour seat. Dynatech 3000 ignition system under the seat. PC Racing Flow oil filter, which is up front here. You can see it down here. It's a washable cartridge. Chrome front and rear side covers, as you can see. LeoVince K02 Exhaust Kit, and I'm sure nobody's seen one of those. They're called a silver tail. Right down here. We'll start it up after. They come out of Italy. Kuryakyn Front folding footrest. This footrest will fold out. You push a button here and it folds. And the rear footrest is also Kuryakyn. Front 45 SMD bulbs, we'll show you. Gray lens. When they're not flashing, they're white. They turn from yellow to white. Yellow when you're signaling. Sealight H4 headlight bulb. Chrome visor over the headlight. Progressive suspension rear shocks and front shocks. GSXR 1100 front brake caliper. So I went from the stock, which had a single pot, and this is 3 pots on it. You get a little bracket offline. If anybody wants to know about any of these accessories, just put a note at the bottom and I'll let you know. I'm going to polish the front forks yet and get them to shine like chrome. All the caps that are on the bike like these here are billet chromed by Winter's Machining. It's got a mini tachometer by Specialties. K&N front and rear air filters. Specialties chrome battery box. If you can see down there, it's chrome. Specialties drive shaft cover in chrome. Leather tank bra. I don't have it on the bike right now. And the Viking lockable side bags I don't have on the bike either. And I also have a Viking tail bag. Memphis Shades removable windshield. It's a 2-color. Lower portion is darkened out. Front and rear fork bags, as you can see on the bike. Atlas cruise control right here. And right beside it is lid locks for holding the helmets on your handlebars. One on each side. Michelin Commander 2 motorcycle tires are on it. Magnetic oil plug. Dynatech carb kit stage 2 has been done. Cylinder covers out of Germany. I'm sure you haven't seen those in North America. The ignition lock here with some bullets in it out of Germany. Then the oil cooler has been changed over to these. They come out of Germany. Oil temperature gauge and handlebar clock. Oil temperature gauge there. And little clock on the handlebar. It's a long list. Let me just think here. What else? Can't remember it all. Really can't. I still got some stuff on order. I'm gonna get these little caps to go on those. The mirrors have been changed. I'm trying to think. A USB hookup at the back of the bike here. And the horn. It's a Wolo horn under a cover. I think it looks quite nice on there. Front little air dams for your legs. I keep seeing stuff as I go because I forget what I all did to it. The handlebar grips, Kuryakyn. And if you just hold on, we'll start it up for a minute. So just stay tuned. Now, these silver tails, you can get, they come with baffles, big long baffles, and a smaller baffle also. Whoop, I don't have it pointing the right way. Silver tails come with a small baffle and a big baffle. A lot of things have been changed on the bike. The brake line, the clutch line has been changed just because you should change them after a few years of use. I'm going to take the emblem off, and I might paint the bike a double burgundy. One, it would be a Honda Goldwing burgundy, and it would be a darker burgundy with a pinstripe in between and in kind of a wave. But we'll see once I take the emblems off what I think. I think it's got a great sound to it. The horn is friggin' loud. We'll give you one.